MotoFam, this is Damien Golden with Golden Motorsports, Walsh Racing, and Elka. I'm here to show you how to corner. Alright, so entering a corner is probably one of the most important things, is setting it up. So when you come in hot, use front brakes and rear brakes, make sure you're in attack mode, squatting over the seat. Don't be sitting down, because if you hit one of these bumps sitting down, you're gonna endo and then you're gonna blow the corners. If you're too far up on the front end, you won't be able to stop as fast. So you wanna be able to, on the bike, you wanna be squatting, leaning kind of in the middle of the bike, more squatting back, so you keep your position and weight in the middle of the bike, not too far back, not too far forward. Too far back, your front end's gonna push. Too far forward, you're gonna do a stoppie into the corner, and then you can flip, so that's not gonna be good. Squatting, front brake, rear brake come in hot. So a bike is set right about where I would be setting up to start turning after doing attack mode for first section. So let me show you how it's gonna go. These are gonna be the three main positions you should be coming into the corner. One, adjust your body weight. Put your left butt cheek, or if you come in another corner, right butt cheek as far, or the seat right here. You wanna be like right here, left butt cheek. Put your knee out. Make sure you adjust your body weight depending on how fast you're coming in the corner. Have control of the front brake, rear brake, and be on the throttle. All right, so now we're in the midpoint of the corner. Your bike should be kind of set up like this depending on the corner, kind of ass end out a little bit. So now, usually, instead of turning bars in right now, you're doing a power slide, so you're gonna start turning out like you're exiting the corner left, because your ass end's gonna be swinging around. So now, I'm pushing my weight back a little bit, kind of still keeping on the inside of the seat, but my left butt cheek, instead of being on the side of the seat, it's more on the top. Kind of just place it right there, so I have more control of traction in the back, having my weight back and just flowing. Exiting the corner, usually now your bike is straight, so now start leaning back. If it's really rough, you want to start hovering the seat, make sure the seat doesn't hit you in the back, in the butt, and then just kind of lean back and get ready for whatever's coming up next. Now you know how to corner. Thanks for watching. I want to give a huge shout out to Golden Motorsports, Walsh, Elka, Wrath, Fly, DASA, SSI decals, Lone Star, IMS, Works Connection, 4Works, GBC tires, Power Mad, Tire Blocks, and Joe Bird.